Bluey and Bingo were chasing butterflies when, boom, a shimmering light burst from the sky. Bingo froze. Bluey, what's that? From the glow, a horn appeared, sparkling brighter than the sun. Bluey's jaw dropped. Wait, am I turning into a unicorn? In a flash of rainbow dust, poof, Bluey stood tall, with a glittering horn and a flowing mane that shimmered with every step. Could this be real? Bingo gasped, circling her sister. You look magical. Bluey laughed. I feel powerful. Suddenly, crash, the backyard shook as dark shadows slithered from the trees. A booming voice roared, the magic doesn't belong to you. Out came a shadow beast, bigger than the house, eyes glowing red. Hook after hook, would Bluey Unicorn be strong enough? Bluey stomped her hooves, sparks flying. Her horn glowed, shooting beams of light across the sky. Bingo cheered, blast it, Bluey! But the beast blocked the light with swirling smoke. The tension grew. Suddenly, a soft voice whispered, Flutter the tiny unicorn, floating from the glow, believe in your heart, that's where magic grows. Bluey gasped, then let's fight together. The battle began. The beast charged. Bluey leapt high, horn blazing like lightning. Bingo ran circles, confusing the monster. Flutter cast a protective bubble, sparks ricocheting like fireworks. Every second was chaos, every moment another hook. Would friendship win? Bluey focused all her strength. Her horn lit brighter, brighter, until a rainbow blast exploded, boom, sending shockwaves across the yard. The beast screeched, shattered into stardust, and vanished into thin air. Silence fell. Then, cheers. Bingo clapped. You did it, Bluey Unicorn. Flutter smiled. Not alone, together. Bluey's horn sparkled one last time before fading. She was just Bluey again, panting but smiling. Bingo hugged her tight. Even without magic, you're amazing. Bluey winked at us. If that made your heart race, if you felt the magic like we did, smash the like, subscribe, and don't miss the next adventure, because you never know when the magic will return.